Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences using cruelty-free skincare and makeup on mature skin. Today, I have another one of my dogs with me. This is Dean. If you've seen any of my Sunday sampling videos, then you already know Dean's brother, Sam. And if you are a Supernatural fan and you're wondering if these guys were named after the Winchester brothers, Sam and Dean, yes, they were. Dean is a little camera shy, so I'm not sure how much he'll stay up here with me. He's starting to shake a little bit, but we'll let him decide whether he wants to hang out for the video or not. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my January Petit Vour box. Yes, this is mid-February, and my Petit Vour boxes do come toward the end of the month, but I got mine in January, toward the end of the month. I just haven't had a chance to do this video yet, and I love talking about Petit Vour on my channel. It's such an amazing subscription box. I just love it. So I've waited to open my box until I had a chance to do this video. Before I open the January box, I want to tell you what I thought about the stuff that I got in December. So I have my December box here. The first thing in here is from Habit Cosmetics. It's the Ultimate Multi-Use Color. Mine came in this shade Pretty Baby, which is a nice pinky beige nude. Like most multi-use products, I find that I don't like them for multi-use. I only like them for usually one of the uses. And that was true of this one. I didn't like it as an eyeshadow. It creased on me. I didn't like it on my lips. I felt like it was kind of patchy. But what I love this for is my cheeks. It gives just a subtle, shimmery, glowy bit of color, and I love it for work or no makeup days when I just want a little bit of color in my cheeks. It gives me that, and it has such a gorgeous glow on my cheeks. This is buildable. You can get a little more color out of it if you layer it on itself, and I can do that on my cheeks and get just the amount of color and glow that I want from it. So I think this is a fantastic product. This was a definite plus for me. The value on this is $28. The next product that was in my December box is from Earth Harbor. This is the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. This one is valued at $13. It is a beautiful face oil. It's made with spirulina and blue tansy. And I'm so happy that I love this one because I've been wanting to try something from Earth Harbor for a long time now. It's one of those brands that really intrigues me. They say that they are beach beauty minimalists, which I think is really cool. And this product is a wonderful one. I can't wait to try some more from that brand. The next thing in that box was from Akar. This is the Akar cleanser. This is a gel to cream cleanser, and I did try it to see what I thought of it. It has tea tree oil and willow bark extract in it, so it does have some beautiful ingredients, and I did enjoy using it. But I'm going to pass this one on to my husband because I have more cleansers than I can use right now, and some that I absolutely love. So I'm going to pass this one on to Kenny. He has been having some trouble off and on over the last several months with some breakouts, so I think this clarifying cleanser should work well for him. And then the last thing in that December box is this one from Audacity. I was so excited to try something from that brand, but this product was a fail for me. It's the Synergy Immediate Skin Perfecting Beauty Mask. It was a powder that you add some water to and make a paste for your skin. I didn't enjoy applying the product that way, but if I would have liked it, I wouldn't have minded that much. The thing is, I didn't like it. As soon as I put the paste on my skin, I got a whiff of the scent, and it was terrible. It stunk. Now, I'll be the first to admit I'm really sensitive to scents. Someone else may not think it smells that bad, but for me, it was bad. Bad enough that I washed it off my face right away, so I couldn't tell you if it actually would do anything for my skin. I couldn't get past the smell. So this one was a fail for me. That was everything that was in my December box. The value on the box was $58.50. If I take off this product that was a fail for me, the value was still $53 for me, which was a nice value for the box. Petit Vour is $18 a month, and they say that every box will have at least a $50 value. And most of the time, even after I take off the minuses for things I don't like, my value is close to $50 because I like pretty much everything I get. Every once in a while I have a fail. But when I do have a fail, it still isn't enough to bring the value down below $50. At $18 a month, I think that's a great deal. It's a cruelty-free vegan box. There's always 4 products in it. Some are full size, some are deluxe. Last month, I did a year of Petit Vour video where I reviewed everything I had gotten for my first year of subscribing to the box, and I'll link that video up above. Here's my January box, and as I always do, I have cut away the tape, but I have not opened this box yet. Here's the card that came in the box. Oh, that's pretty. I was holding it sideways, sorry. That's pretty. That's a nice card for a January box. Let's see what's in here. The first thing, oh, it's another scent from Inkling Scents. It's the Gossamer Perfume. Let's see if I can find that one in here. Here, I recognize the Inkling box. They have this beautiful green box for their scents. We got an Inkling scent several months ago from Petit Vour. It was the scent Sultry. Oh, I like this one too. Let's see how it smells on me. This one smells really good. I think I may even like this one better than Sultry, and I love it. Let me read about it. And it says, a celebration of all women and varied forms of beauty. Notes of pink peony, freesia, lychee, magnolia, lily, rose, cedarwood, and amber create a rich, complex fragrance that is widely loved. It does smell amazing. And it does smell complex. I'm glad that they told me what the notes were because I'm not good at picking out notes, and this one does have a lot going on. But it's not at all heavy smelling. It's just very, it does have a floral scent, but not too sweet, not too florally, not too anything. Just right. I like it. Don't mind me as I continue to stiff my wrist, but it does smell really good. We're off to a great start. The next thing in this box is from Seraphine Botanicals. I've never heard of that brand. This one has lychee also. I know I'm probably mispronouncing that. Lychee. That was in the perfume. I've noticed that Petit Vour every once in a while here lately will have a theme, an ingredient that's in several, if not all of the products in the box. This one seems to be based on lychee. If I had known that, I would have looked up how to pronounce it before I started this video, but since it's an unboxing, I didn't. This one has the Lychee Ginger and Gold Healthy Glow Blush, which retails for $14. It looks like this is probably it. Oh, pretty box. I'm not familiar with this brand, but let's look and see. There, it's the color, really pretty. Swatch it for you. There it is on my hand. Just looks like just a really pretty rose gold shade. Then the next thing in this box is from the Seaweed Bath Company, Purifying Detox Facial Bar. Look at my glasses here. This one retails for $8. It says, gently softens and purifies for smoother, healthier looking skin. Organic, sustainably harvested seaweed with 65 plus vitamins and minerals naturally detoxifies and promotes skin elasticity. Now this card says it's a facial bar, but on the box here it says Exfoliating Detox Body Soap with Arabica coffee, and cinnamon. Okay, now that sounds amazing. I don't know if this was a last minute switch or if it was just a mistake on the card, but I am excited about this. I love using coffee body products. It smells so good. We got something from Seaweed Bath Company before. I think it was maybe a lotion. I think it was a body lotion, but I loved it, and I can tell already I'm really going to enjoy this body soap also. Then the last thing in my January box is from Evan Healy. The Evan Healy Oil and Water Balancing Calming Ritual, which retails for $10. This serum mimics the skin's protective barrier. Add a generous misting of facial tonic to 2 drops of serum, warm in palms, and press into face. I tried a facial oil from Evan Healy. It came as a sample, I think, from Pharmaca, maybe. And I really liked it. This is 2 little bottles. It has the Rose Geranium Facial Tonic Hydrosol. So it came with the tonic. And then it has this little bottle of the Rose Hip Treatment Facial Serum. I think it was Rose Hip Oil that I got from Evan Healy, the other sample I had. So that looks nice. I'm excited about trying something else from that brand. I really did enjoy the face oil I tried, and I'm sure that I will like this. I looked up the brand when I got the sample before and read good things about them. So, all right, I'm excited about this box. Dean, what do you think? You want to come over here and say goodbye to everyone? Oh, he was over there about to take a nap. He says, I don't know why Sam likes this so much. This is pretty boring. Well, thanks for sticking around for a while anyway. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button down below and then ring the notification bell next to that so you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.